Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am so excited for this video. I've been waiting. It's been about a week and a half since I purchased this product. I had a fresh set of ColorStreet on, so I wanted to wait until it had been a while with those, and then we are going to try these out. So if you guys saw the thumbnail, we are going to talk about Dashing Diva. One of you guys told me about, I've done 3 ColorStreet videos now. And one of you guys suggested I try out the Dashing Diva. I didn't really know what it was, so I did a little research and found out that you could buy it at the drugstore. So I was like, you know what? I want to put this to the test because I love ColorStreet. If you guys want to check out some of my other ColorStreet videos, I'll link them up here or down in the description box. But I started using them in October. I do not sell them. I just was introduced to them and I really do like them. I did a couple videos. I may sound a little harsh on them, but overall, I think they're a great product and they last a heck of a lot longer than normal nail polish. In one of the videos, I was complaining because I do dishes all the time and they didn't seem to last that long. So I got me some dish gloves and they last so much longer now. We are going to open this little container of the Dashing Diva, what is it? Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Palette. So these are supposed to be gel nail strips. I think the ColorStreet ones are just regular polish. I'm not really sure if there's a difference, but my goal for this video is just to kind of do a comparison. So I'm very familiar with ColorStreet now. I've used the solids, I've used the glitters, kind of like used a little bit of everything. I've used them with top coats, I've used them with rubber base coat. So I kind of have like some tips and tricks, you know, that I've tried. So I'm gonna put this bad boy to the test. So the difference with these are, I got them at Target for $8.50, I believe, and I think you can get them as low as $8. And you don't have to order these online through anyone. You can just go to your store and get them. So I am on their website here because I kind of wanted to just see what it had to say. So when I went on here, where does it say? So wait, I think you can order them online and they are very similar to ColorStreet. Like right now they have Valentine, what's that? Those look like press-on nails. Okay, so they have other stuff too, if you've never been on their website. But yeah, so they have the stickers, and then it looks like they have actual like press-on nails too. Ooh, and they've got press-ons for your toes. Okay, so yeah, they've got gel glue-on nails, and those are $6.75. That's cool. Okay, so when you go on here, shop Dashing Diva at our retail partners, Ulta, Target, Walmart, Sally's, Face Values, I'm not sure what that is, Walgreens, CVS, and HEB, I don't know what that is either. So I went to my Walgreens because it's the closest store to me. They did not have them. They didn't have anything from this brand. So I was kind of bummed. And the lady just said, you know, Walgreens get different stuff and theirs doesn't have it, and they probably won't be getting it. So I went to Target and the selection was very, very small. They didn't have a whole lot to choose from. There was maybe like 6 different ones. I have yet to try Ulta and Sally's. I didn't even think to check Sally's. So you guys will have to let me know if you've ever bought them from anywhere, where you got them from. Did they have a big selection? So this is what the little packaging looks like. And I'm gonna take this plastic part off. Maybe it won't be as shiny. This one is called Afterglow. So this is what the nails look like. So you get, it's kind of cool how you get like, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 different colors. So you get like your matte color, and then you have like 3 different accents. That is one thing I did like about these, because with ColorStreet, you just get 1 color in each pack. So I thought this was kind of cool. You could do, like, mix it up a little bit, you know, and you've got an accent nail and everything. Because with the ColorStreet, I like to do an accent nail anyways. So when you open it up, what do we got in here? Oh, okay. So, well, it's not completely sealed. What is in here? Okay, so there's like a little packaging here. This looks to be the directions. And then, oh, that's cute. That's a cute little file. So this is the file that comes with it. It's just like a little, kind of a cool little shape there. It says Dashing Diva on the one side and I think you can only use one side. This side, the side that says Dashing Diva, I don't think you can use as a file, but the other side. And then it did come with, where the heck did that go? Oh, here it is. It did come with a Dashing Diva Red Therapy prep pad. So it's like one of those single-use prep pads, same thing as ColorStreet. Cleanse hand, apply prep pad to remove moisture and oil from the nail plate. It does have the little directions here. Let's see. How to use, select size, application. Yeah, it seems to be the same thing as the ColorStreet. How to remove, apply a drop of cuticle oil or acetone remover onto your nail. Use manicure stick to gently and slowly lift nail strip from corner of the cuticle area. Gradually roll the strip off your nail. Do not peel off with force or in one quick motion because that can damage the heck out of your nails. So yeah, these seem very, very similar. So here is the actual nail strips. How are these in here? So it looks like they're in this plastic part. You know, with the ColorStreet ones, like as soon as you open them, they're kind of like, you know, it's kind of like real nail polish. They can get dried out. These feel a lot thicker. Maybe not, but they kind of feel a lot thicker. So this is what these little strips look like. So it comes with, okay, so you get 2 of these, and then you get these. I don't know, these look like they could be for your toes or like maybe a thumb. And then these are the little accent colors. So one thing I will say, so how many total do you get here? 32 nail strips. The ColorStreet, I want to say you get 16. You get 2 strips of 8. And those, I will say, are a little bit longer, I think, because those I can use, since my nails are really short, I can use 1 strip for both fingers. These are not going to be the case. These, like if you have really long nails, like maybe you have fake long nails, these might not fit on your nails. They're not, I mean, they're long for me, but there's no way I can use one on 2 different nails. So that is the one thing I'm noticing a difference. And yeah, they do feel thicker. And do these not have, is there, like the ColorStreet has like a top to the actual strip. I feel like this is it, like this is the nail. Prep your nail, select strip size for each nail. For optimal fit, the strip should not exceed past the nail bed onto the skin or cuticles. Gently lift the strip from the sheet. If you are in between sizes, always choose the smaller size. Place strip over the center of your nail, starting at cuticle line and pressing outward. Yeah, so I don't think there's anything on top of these. So, okay. So, all right, we are gonna go into the kitchen and I'm going to apply these bad boys and see how they turn out. All right, guys, let's head on over to the kitchen and put on some pretty nails. And then I'll come back and I'll give you guys my final thoughts. And then I'll probably end up doing a video later just to see how they wear. We are going to Vegas in a few days, so I want to kind of see how they hold up. All right. Okay, so I just took everything out of the packaging and I just started off with filing my nails a little bit, and I forgot to push back my cuticles. I usually do that before I start a fresh set, but I forgot. So now I'm taking the prep pad and just wiping every one of my nails down just to get all the oils and everything off. And then I'm going to take the strips and just kind of see which ones are going to fit on which finger. And I'm just going to go ahead and peel it off and stick it right on there. So it does say that once you get it on there, kind of push it down and then stretch it. Well, these were a little hard to work with. They weren't as stretchy as I was expecting them to be. So I just kind of got them pushed down and stretched them as much as I could. And then for the ends, I went ahead and took just some clippers because I didn't want to just use the file. I didn't want to rip them. And then once you get it clipped off, you can just use your file and get the excess pieces off. And then I went ahead and repeated this for all of the other nails, and I did this color on every nail, and then when I come back I'll show you guys I add a couple accents on them. Alright, now that I have this color on all the nails, they look really pretty, like they're shiny. Some of the sizes were not great though. They weren't covering my entire nail, so I figured that it would be okay because I would just cover it with these little accents. So I'm just going to do an accent nail on my ring finger and then my middle finger on both hands. And so I took this little glitter one and just put that right on top and then did the same exact thing. You're just going to stretch it as much as you can and then clip it off with the clippers and then file it down. This is how the nails turned out. They look very pretty. They are pretty thick compared to the ColorStreet ones, but they are very pretty and shiny. Okay, hey guys, I am back and I've got my nails on. Why is the hair sticking to them? I don't know about these, you guys. Okay. Thoughts. So, here are the nails. They're kind of hard to see with the ring light. They're very shiny. I like the little accents that were in there. A few things. So this strip here, like, I don't really understand how these go with everything. Like, I had wanted to try to put on some other accents, but like, I don't know, I just feel like they don't all go together. Like, they go with these for sure, but now that, like, because this is all I have left of these. So, and then these little guys, like maybe for your toes. So I don't think I could do another set. Well, no, yeah, there's no way. I could do another set of nails with these. And then I've got these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 of them. So I'm not really sure how I could do another set with these. I suppose I could try to do like, I would have like different accent nails. I don't know. I could probably make it work. But okay, so some thoughts. They feel very gel-like, kind of like sticky almost, like sticky feeling. And I don't know if I love that. They were a little harder to, like, look at this nail. You guys can see that. This one, like on the side, I wasn't able to cover my whole nail. It's already kind of chipping right there. Like when I was trying to file it away. Oh, that one is too. I don't even know if these are gonna hold up until my trip. But we will see. I'm going to stay positive and see how long they last. Okay, so I mean, there's really nothing else more I can say now because now we need to see how they hold up. They're very pretty, like I said. I'm not a huge fan of how they feel. They do feel very thick where the spots that I put on 2 of them. They were easy to apply, but as of right now, I'm gonna say that I like the ColorStreet more. They're like, what, $4 more? $3, $4 more? And you're helping out a friend by ordering those. I don't know, like these are fun. These are definitely fun. Like if you're at the store and you see a set that you like, you know, definitely grab them. But as of right now, I definitely like the ColorStreet better. I like the ColorStreet ones. I like how they're thinner and I feel like they're easier to work with. Like these in the directions it says to put on and like stretch, and they don't really stretch. And I don't know. They don't smell though. That's one thing. Like the ColorStreet ones definitely smell like nail polish, but these do not. So I don't really know what these are made of. So yeah. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this little first impressions, I would call this video, because it's not really a review because you don't really know what my final thoughts are, because I'm gonna definitely wear these for a little bit and see how they wear. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments if you guys want me to do a video on like how they wore and how long they lasted. I'll definitely let you guys know if you are interested in that. So, and if you guys haven't seen my ColorStreet videos, go check those out. If you haven't tried ColorStreet, then what are you waiting for? Find a friend that sells them and order some because they are really cool. Or you could go try these out too. Maybe you'll like these. All right, you guys, I hope you all have a great day and we'll see you all in my next video. Bye. Hi guys, I'm back and I'm sad. I took them off. I had such high hopes for this product. I'm kind of disappointed. So it's been about, let's see, it's been probably like 3, 4 hours since I put the set on, and I've just kind of been doing stuff around the house. I went and picked up my daughter, and I did not like how they felt. They were very sticky. They just, not really sticky, they just felt rubbery. Like they just felt unnatural on my nails. And they were like, not lifting, but they were like, I could feel the edges. You know how like if you wear ColorStreet and how those, when those grow out, you can like really feel them on the sides or like right here. That's how these were feeling already. And I just put them on. Yeah, I'm really bummed. Like I really was hoping that they would work out. So I took them off, and they were actually really easy to remove. I just took a little bit of oil and put it like on each like cuticle basically, and then I just slowly peeled the nail off. And I know you're not really supposed to, I know you're not supposed to do that with ColorStreet, but these are definitely different. Don't pull them off fast or anything, but I just peeled them off very, very slowly and made sure like the oil was like, you know, in there, and they came off very easily. My nails don't look or feel damaged at all, which is good, but I'm so bummed. I was really hoping those were gonna work out. But now I'm going to pick out, I have 2 new sets from ColorStreet that I'm gonna have to pick one of those to wear to Vegas. I was really hoping that these nails were gonna work and I could have worn them for Vegas, but it's not gonna happen. So I'm sorry, you guys. Unfortunately, this is not a great review video. I'm not gonna be purchasing those again. Yeah, so if you use ColorStreet, stick with your ColorStreet. Hey, if you want to try these, maybe you guys would like them. I don't know. I just personally, I won't be getting them again. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and I hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you all soon. Bye.